Want to know how to edit multiple tracks in Audacity? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get right into it. So first off, we need to select multiple tracks. For that, you can just simply press Ctrl+A. Right, and here you can see it will select all the tracks right here, or you can just drag and drop it. But make sure the selection tool is selected, that is F1. Now you can edit multiple tracks easily by going to effects and then selecting any effect that you like, which could be volumes and compression. Let's go to amplify and just tweak it a little bit, and here you can see all of the audios has been edited, and that's it. It's as easy as that. You can do it with other as well, that is, you can filters, any other special effects and more. So I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.